Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video we will be doing a teardown of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. We've never done a teardown, so this is kind of a learning curve. Figured I'd take you guys on the journey with me. The tools that I'll be using, I'm not sure if I'll need these, but we do have these tools available. If you're a little skeptical and you don't know, you could just buy the 50-in-1 toolkit from us, and it has all the tools covered that you would potentially need for a disassembly. But the standard that we usually go with is multi-variation of pry tools, plastic spudger, we got a 1.5mm flathead screwdriver, and we got a 1.5mm Phillips, and some flux just in case that there's any soldering that we have to do. So let's get into it. First thing that we gotta do is pop off the ear pads. Once the ear pads are off, it looks like there are 4 Phillips screws. Okay, so no hidden screws. All right, now let's try to pop this out. So this is the right speaker housing with the driver and the MS port. If you want to remove the MS port completely, you do have a little bit of glue right here that you gotta take off, and it should pop out that way. For now, we'll just go ahead and set that aside. We'll go ahead and pop this clip up. get that ribbon unplugged. And it looks like we got 1, 2 little Phillips screws. We got the fuel gauge identifier. And there you have the charger port and the AUX jack. And it looks like this is part of the button, so we'll set that aside as well. Make sure that these two are paired together. Alright, well now we know. They're held on these pads. Interesting. I'm going to assume that this is the Bluetooth module board. And there you have it, the outside speaker cup. As far as the swivel part goes and the headband does pop off as well as the cushion, but we're gonna leave this assembled as is, and we'll just go ahead and tear apart the left side. So we know that there's no screws hidden underneath there, but I'm almost certain that there is another one of these sensors, which with these sensors, I'll just show you guys with the flathead. I'm just gonna come in and try to remove all the rubber silicone. And there you have it, the MS port ribbon. Now back to the left side. We'll set that aside for now. Okay, so there's a couple screws right there. Pop those out. And it looks like for this one, it's just a couple screws also holding it down. So we'll pop those two screws out. This piece should come up. And now on to removing the outside cup. So I'm just pulling this gasket that holds all the wires together in the corner there. And we'll do the same thing. Go underneath with our flathead, pop that pin up a little bit, and just pull it out. And there we have just the headband assembly. However, on the left speaker housing cup, it looks like they have the battery mounted right behind here. So let's take a peek. And there you have it, folks, the battery. I don't even know if I want to take this out, but I suppose if you're ever replacing the battery, you got to take it out, right? Easy peasy. And to gain access for the speaker driver, you would pretty much have to remove these screws. You would need to remove any adhesive that's there, and once those screws are removed, this should pop right off and you could gain access to the speaker driver. But without any more tearing down, we'll just kind of leave it at that for now. As far as things go, that is how you do a teardown of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. And if you need any tools, once again, we do have a 50-in-1 toolkit that is pretty handy. It's got all the bits that you could potentially need, and all the tools you saw me doing this teardown, we do have them available on our website, and we are looking to start offering a repair service for the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. So if you are having issues with your headphones, you are more than welcome to reach out to us or send them in, and we'd be more than happy to take care of it. But as far as things go, I'm just gonna lay out all the parts, and there you have it. Please make sure you hit the like button and always remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.